All right, good afternoon, everybody. Meteorologist Jim Castillo here, 5 on your side weather. So we are just updating you. No severe weather at all anywhere around us at this point. We just want to update you on what we're expecting after midnight tonight. So if you're watching us on 5 Plus, YouTube, or Facebook, welcome. And look at that pink, that high level 5, the highest you can get for that chance of severe weather. Severe weather risk today and tonight. I'm going to show you that here in just a second here. So of course we're in weather alert because of that risk of severe weather. So there it is, the multi-colors here. We'll go through it. So 5 is the highest you can get, and that's around Oklahoma City into southern Kansas. Red is moderate, which is 4, and then we have 3 enhanced, which we're in Wednesday, and I'll have more on that coming up. And the level 2, the Storm Prediction Center actually did move St. Louis into that. St. Louis City, County, westward, northward, Greene County, Illinois. Level 2 out of 5, just meaning scattered severe storms, more likely between 2 a.m. tonight and about 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. It'll get through our Illinois counties. And the reason why Illinois is in green, most of it, and also south of St. Louis, is because those storms are expected to weaken once they get past Kansas City to Columbia, weaken further from Rolla to Bowling Green, and I'll time it out for you coming up, and then even weaker as we get into, as they move through St. Louis and into Illinois. So the overnight weather that we're expecting here is a line of storms. Timing on that between 2 a.m. in our western counties, and then south and eastern counties, 8 a.m., maybe even a little earlier. Threats include 60-mile-per-hour wind gust, but we can't really rule out a weak tornado. All right? So when storms strike after dark, how will you get your warning? So watch us here. Keep your TV to 5 on your side, Channel 5, KSDK. And we will be here. The weather team, we're all over this, and we're not going to leave until that threat comes to an end. So weather apps, we have our 5 on your side weather app. If you get that, you can get the warnings. And websites, ksdk.com, radio, of course, and we're on that. And also your weather radio from NOAA. That will alert you also, and your notifications on your phones too. So if we were to get a spin-up tornado tonight, nighttime to sunrise, or midnight to sunrise, 2.5 times more likely to be deadly than the daytime tornadoes. So that's an issue we're talking about. Not easily seen at night, plus hard to spot them. Fewer spotters are active when they're out and about overnight, so and most more of a risk at night, of course. While you're sleeping and you're unaware of any storms, which a lot of us will be definitely doing so. So get the 5 on your side app, set up your app notifications, have a weather radio, and of course that's a great idea. It will wake you up. The alarm is very loud on that. And wireless emergency alerts on your cell phone to keep close to you. So how do you turn those on? Here's the iPhone. Go to notifications, scroll down to the bottom, and then you'll find government alerts. So you can have your Amber Alerts on or off. You can have your emergency alerts on, public safety alerts. Those are on. And you'll get your notifications. So again, notifications, scroll down to the bottom after you get notifications. And at the very bottom there, you'll find the Amber Alerts, emergency alerts, and public safety alerts. Okay? So right now, looking outside, it's a cloudy day. We had all that rain last night. And so the ground is saturated. It is soaked. And we'll continue to see that throughout the day today. Nice and calm day compared to what is expected to come later on tonight. So again, that radar looks good. Maybe a couple spot showers in eastern Illinois counties around Mount Vernon. Widen out the shot. We have a couple storms here. This is the water vapor loop. We like to show you this. Just to show you what kind of energy is out there. And we'll zoom in to the spot that we're really watching. So Wichita to Oklahoma City. And north of there, we're already starting to see some severe weather breaking out. So there's a warm front. That's where the severe cells and the yellow polygons are popping up right now. Again, well to the west of us. So let's time this out. Here's the futurecast. 2 o'clock this afternoon, 5 o'clock, 7 o'clock, approaching Kansas City at 9, 10 o'clock at night. And these storms hold together, you know, at least through Kansas City, and they congeal into a line here. And that's when you can see, sometimes they bow out, and you can see some strong wind gusts when that happens. So we'll see where that bow actually happens, and it should weaken a bit. You can kind of see the stronger storms, Fayetteville, Arkansas, and south of Tulsa. But even within that northern Missouri, central Missouri, our western counties, here's 2 a.m. So some storms breaking out ahead of that line we'll have to watch, and also just along that line. So we'll put this into motion. Here's 4 a.m., weakening further, but still that risk of seeing some high wind gust or an isolated spin-up tornado. So we'll watch this line as it continues to go through 7, 8 a.m. And then that threat should end, at least for the overnight hours and into Tuesday. Here's another model that we look at, 5:20 a.m. Pretty heavy line of showers and storms from Jerseyville to St. Charles, Chesterfield, Potosi, Centerville, but weakening. And weakening further is what we're hoping and what we're believing. So 7:40 in the morning, it's still in our eastern Illinois counties and then gets out of here. So Tuesday, you know, in the afternoon, we might see an isolated shower or storm pop up in the afternoon. Otherwise, a relatively calm day. We'll just watch for any pop-up strong storms. Then here's the bigger day. Severe weather risk on Wednesday is much higher. So enhanced 3 out of 5. And just that risk of numerous severe cells is pretty much what that means. So 60 mile per hour wind gusts, all threats are there. Large hail and damaging tornadoes. So, and some could be strong tornadoes if it sets up correctly. Now, if we get storms in the morning, maybe that will actually take away from some energy in the afternoon. That would be great, because then we wouldn't see this. So it's conditional on whether we get the storms in the morning or already rain, and we'll just have to see how it plays out. But for right now, it does look like numerous storms that could be severe, okay? So we'll keep our eyes on Wednesday, and then after Wednesday, we're pretty good. Right now, just want to recap what's going on at the moment. 73 degrees, a lot of clouds out there, and a little cooler north, Litchfield 67, DeSoto at 75, and Farmington 72. And then lows tonight in the 60s as those storms stay in that line, hit Kansas City around 9, 10 o'clock, and then move through here between 2 a.m. and 8 a.m. for the entire viewing area here. Southeast wind 15 to 30 miles an hour, stronger and gustier in those thunderstorms. So over the next 12 hours, we're good. Just a spot shower possible today. This evening is calm. It's after midnight where that storm chance ramps up, especially 2 a.m. and on, okay? So mostly cloudy today, 79 degrees. Storms overnight. Tonight, 66. Southeast wind at 15 to 30. And early morning storms, but likely getting out of here by 8 a.m. and really weakening quite a bit by 7. So 84 for tomorrow. Weather alert, we're already in it now because we're approaching, you know, those overnight storms. So we're in it Tuesday, especially after midnight and through 8 a.m. And then pretty calm in the afternoon, maybe a spot strong storm. We'll watch that. By Wednesday, strong to severe storms, 83. And temperatures much cooler, Thursday, 75. We're seeing plenty of sunshine by then. Also Friday, 71. Spot shower possible Saturday, mainly dry. Mother's Day, 77, and sunshine. So that risk of severe weather is from tonight and early Tuesday. And then again, watching late Tuesday afternoon, and still the better risk of severe storms will be on Wednesday. And stay with us. We'll have a full update coming up at 2:23 this afternoon, live on 5 on Your Side, Channel 5. And then we also have full updates at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. And Chief Meteorologist Scott Connell will be joining me, and we'll have full updates for you as the afternoon goes on. Thank you. Stay safe and have a great day.